So sack farming is an interesting system of farming. You can do it in a limited space where there is no enough space, enough soil. You can do them in sacks, even where in a paved environment where your compound is paved. Your balcony, you can just place the bags. See the ones that is already growing this sweet potato. Here, here, you also have sweet potato. These ones are about a month, while this one is just a week and it's sprouting. You can do it very well. So all these sacks, I just prepared them. I planted pepper. As you can see some pepper seeds showing here. I planted them yesterday. So there will be this. We have tetashi here, pepper. We have shombo pepper here. We also have habanero pepper. We have chili pepper. So very soon, maybe in 3 to 4 days, 5 days, you see them sprouting. So I'm going to wet the seed. I wet them every morning so that I make sure that the seed, see our sprinkler, manual sprinkler. So I'm going to sprinkle and wet them so that the seed will have enough moisture to germinate. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sprinkling them. This sprinkler is good. You can put in automatic seed and just lock it up. You can press it down, lock it, and it will to sprinkling and wetting without disturbing the seed. If you're pouring water, it might disturb the seed, but this is easy because it's just like a shower, sprinkles, a jet propulsion system. All you need to do is just to pump it so that I add more air. That will increase the pressure and see the water sprinkling. So I'm sprinkling them to wet them to give them enough moisture so that they can germinate fast. So you see in 4 to 5 days or in a week time, you see all this pepper sprouting and germinating. So that's the interesting thing about sack farming. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please try and subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. Also like and hit the notification button so that whenever I put up interesting videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So that is it. Sack farming is interesting. So you can see we have other things. It's not just potato that you plant. We also have pepper. I will show you the peppers and other things you need to plant in sack. So you see, these are pepper done in sack. Difference between sack and ground. See the one planted in ground, it doesn't grow as fast as the one that is in the sack. The sack grows faster because the nutrients you are adding to the sack is concentrated. It's not washed away. It's not dispersed as in the one on the ground. See the ones on the ground, that's the difference. They don't grow as fast. See this one, it's as little as that. But why the ones in the sack are the same age, the same day? We are transplanted the same day in the sack and the ground, but the ground is taking time to grow, even though it's producing, but the seeds are small. I have small seeds, so about 4 seeds, while this one is full of seeds. I have avocado, see, so bell pepper, see them, see all of them. Pepper that are done in sack, they're doing well. They are sacks. Pepper, you can do them even in commercial quantity. You can also do them in sacks. So all this pepper fruit, see this one is full of fruits, so you can equally do them commercially or a small scale. See this one too, full of fruits. All you're seeing is pepper fruits. See them here. See, they're all pepper. Heavily loaded with pepper. See them pepper. It's a bell pepper, beautiful and big. I have a lot of them. A lot of fruits. Bell pepper producing. See them bell pepper as well. Yellow pepper. You can also do yam in sacks. See yam. You can also do grapevine. These are grapevine. See how beautiful and how nourished the leaves and broad the leaves are. So you can also do grapevine. This is yam. This is grapevine. They're all done in sack. So a lot of things you can do in sack. This bell pepper. This is ripe already. You see orange in sack. This is mulberry. Mulberry can be done in sack too. It's already producing. That's mulberry producing in sack. Orange, mango, palm. So a lot of things can be done in sack. So that's it. This is garlic. That's pepper. This is garlic. These are onions done in sack. See the onions already big. How big the ball is. It's a big ball, onion ball. So that's already producing. See another one. It's already producing. See there. Big. They're all onions. See ginger. You can also use plastic buckets. Recycle them instead of throwing them away. Ginger done. Papaya or pawpaw done in plastic containers. You can recycle instead of throwing them away. These are carrots. These are onions. Carrots. You can also do carrots in sacks. These are carrots, or onions, or scallion or spring onions. See them? So I just cut this one a few days ago and now it's sprouting back. So a lot of things you can do in sack. Even tomatoes, you can also do tomatoes in sack. We even have black pepper. That's the uzuza plant. We are doing it in sack. It's growing. So this is what produces the black pepper, uzuza. So tomatoes. Ready? Producing fruits. See tomatoes, the uzuza plant, see uzuza doing well in sack, it's growing. So a lot of things can be done in sack. So sack farming pays. Don't wait until you have a plot of land or before you can start your farming. You can do your backyard farming just in a sack like this. Just prepare them, wet them, you can mix them. This one is sand mixed with chicken manure. You can also mix them with we produce a black soldier fly larvae, so we have frass. Also can mix them with frass. You can also soak onion peels for about 3 days and use the water to water the soil. It makes the soil rich. Your rice water you are pouring away after washing the rice, you can use it and water it. They're all fertilizers that can, organic fertilizer that can enrich the soil. So, and increase the soil microorganisms, make the soil healthier. So a lot of things you can do in sack. You enjoy your farming. So this is what we do. Not only fish farm, all these things are good. Though we also have our farms. See everything is done. See our tilapia. Yeah, tilapia. They are doing well. So these are RDRS integrated organic farms. So you see, we have tilapia. We feed on azolla. These are azolla plants that we feed them with. We cultivate azolla to feed them. We also have catfish. Right? So sack farming is interesting farming. You can do it at home anywhere. It's easy to manage, it's easy to control. You can water them easily, you can fertilize them easily with organic manure. So they are easy to plant. So I hope you start your own sack farming. So that is it. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button, notification bell, and make sure that all our updates come to you. You can watch other of our videos too. There are interesting videos we have in our playlist. You can just go through our playlist and watch all educating videos. We have also how you can videos on how to save costs in fish farming and poultry by using a black soldier fly. You can use them to make sure, watch them on how to produce black soldier fly. If you want us to produce more videos on that, you can just say that in the comment section and we'll go ahead and make a video that will educate you more. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.